Today we're making creamsicle popcorn. Today we're making creamsicle popcorn, and to do that we're using this orange floss sugar along with this signature blend vanilla flavor. We're going to make one batch of orange popcorn, one batch of vanilla, and we're going to toss it all together. So let's get popping. In vanilla popcorn, we've got a cup and a half of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. Just a reminder, there are links to all the products we're using here today. Check that out in the description. Also, if you want to pick up the Popcorn Genius free recipe book, there's also a link down in the description for that too, so check it out. We made this kettle corn machine ourselves. We put it all together, built it, and welded it. If you're interested in making one of these yourself also, there's a link down in the description to the plans where you can pick those up. All right, we're starting to pop. We're gonna add 1.5 cups of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of compound S, and 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla with signature glaze. Foaming up there. Oh, you can smell that vanilla. Oh yeah, that smells really good. That compound S causes that to foam up like that. And the compound S, what that's going to do is it's going to help the sugar stick to these popcorn kernels better than if we just use sugar. All right, we're starting to pop. Vanilla smells good. Look at that nice vanilla popcorn we have here. Mix it around in our mini sifter here. Get all those unpopped kernels out of there. Look at that. Look how good that looks. Let's give it a try. Still very hot. Take a quick look at it. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, let's try it. Oh yeah, that's really good. I like the vanilla quite a bit. Has a really nice flavor. Now we're gonna mix this with our orange to make creamsicle. Let's make some orange popcorn. 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. Down in the description are links to all the products we're using here today. If you're interested in the Popcorn Genius recipe book, check out the link down in the description where you can pick that up for absolutely free. We have a few different versions of our recipe book. Actually, we have a kettle corn machine version, we have a whirly pop machine version, And we also have a theater style popcorn popper version as well. So check those out. You can get all of those for free. Help you make some really great flavors of popcorn. All right, we're starting to pop. So now we're gonna add in 1.5 cups of orange floss sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of compound S. Look at that nice bright orange color. Starting to foam up with that compound S. You don't have to use the compound S, but what that does is it helps that floss sugar stick to those kernels better. You can use it with any of those sugars, regular sugar, any of the floss sugars. This floss sugar is actually used to make cotton candy. When Gold Medal sells it, you can pick it up to make cotton candy, but you can also use it to make flavored popcorn. Oh yeah, look at that nice bright orange. Mix that all around in there. Get those unpopped kernels out of there. Let it cool down. Oh, look at the color on that. That looks so good. All right, let's give it a try. Get a couple pieces here. They're not really cooled down a lot yet. Still hot. Look at that coating on there. That does a nice job coating that popcorn. All right, let's give it a try. Oh yeah, it's nice and sweet. It's got that orange citrus flavor. It's kind of mellow as far as an orange goes, but that's okay. I really like it. I like the mellowness of it. That's really good. So now let's mix this with our vanilla popcorn and we'll make creamsicle. All right, we're gonna be making creamsicle popcorn. So we have our orange flavored popcorn and now we're gonna be adding vanilla. All right, got our vanilla popcorn in there. Orange in there. Look how nice that looks. That looks so good. All right, let's take a couple pieces of each of these. Oh yeah, look at that. That nice bright orange with that vanilla. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that's great. That's like a nice creamsicle flavor. I need another piece of that. Oh yeah, that's really good. That's actually really good. So we made this with orange floss sugar, the vanilla signature blend by Gold Medal. You can get those products too. So remember, get out there and get poppin'.